Welcome. In this short tutorial, we'll walk you through automating an SSL certificate in cPanel with ACME from GoGetSSL. To keep things simple, we've already purchased the certificate and copied the provided EAB credentials. You can also follow along using commands from our wiki article on ACME for cPanel. All right, let's get started. After logging into your cPanel account, scroll down to the Advanced section and click Terminal. If prompted, click I understand. We'll start by installing ACME.sh, a lightweight script that automates issuing, renewing, and installing SSL certificates. After ACME.sh is installed, the next step is registering it with the certificate authority. This step uses the EAB credentials you received when purchasing your ACME-compatible SSL. As a reminder, you can copy this command directly from our wiki article on ACME for cPanel. Just swap it in your credentials where the placeholders are. After successful account registration, we're ready to issue the SSL. Before issuing the certificate, you'll need your website's exact folder, also called the Webroot. In cPanel, go to Domains and check the document root column next to your domain. If it says public_HTML, your Webroot is your home directory. If it shows a subfolder, use that folder path in your ACME command. With your Webroot ready, run the issue command you see on your screen. This will create a validation file in your website's directory so ACME can verify your domain. Once the command runs successfully, your SSL certificate will be issued and saved on the server. Now, run the deploy command to automatically import the SSL certificate into cPanel. This step eliminates the need to upload it manually. Let's verify the installation. Go back to your cPanel home dashboard. Scroll down to Security, click SSL/TLS, then Manage SSL Certificates. You should now see your domain listed with the newly issued Domain Validated Certificate. ACME will automatically renew your SSL certificate 30 days before it expires. But let's run a quick test to verify that it works. First, note your current certificate ID. Then return to the terminal and run the Force Renewal command. Go back to Manage SSL Certificates in cPanel and check that the certificate ID has changed. If it has, the renewal process is working perfectly, and you're all set. From now on, ACME will handle renewals automatically, keeping your SSL certificate up to date with strong, continuous encryption, all with minimal maintenance on your end. And that's it. You've successfully issued, installed, and configured ACME-enabled automated SSL renewals in cPanel.